Hi, how are you? I'm Ling. Today I'm going to share with you another 5 Q&A. First question is, I have a tight budget, but I still want to have a set of nice wedding photos. How can it be done? It is possible, but you have to change the meaning of nice photos. If a nice photo means have to shoot in overseas, then I will tell you it's not true. A wedding is about the couple and not the background. So if you shift the focus to your style, shooting in local can also achieve a good result and keep within the budget. And if you like a local photographer's work and it's out of your budget, you can opt to have a smaller package with them. Quality is better than quantity, and a thicker album doesn't mean a nicer album. And with a tight budget, reshoot might not be possible, so please select a photographer wisely. Question number 2 is, there's few photographers' work also focus more on the couple, how to see the difference. If you base on a photographer's portfolio, it's difficult to tell the difference because the most is a few photos from the same couple. If you want to know how the photographer conduct the shoot, you should view the whole set of photos taken for the same couple. With that, you will have an overall idea, and if the couple is model or influencers, you might not be able to achieve the same result because they are so-called active and you might be passive, unless you belong to the same group. The questions: what do you mean by an active and passive couple? Active couples are those who know how to move or pose in front of a camera. Passive is referring to a layman who feel lost in front of a camera.
For the photography, right, what concerns me most at the start was that I cannot really pose and I'm more camera shy in that sense. So I hesitated whether the photo would turn out well or not. When the photo came out, and it was extremely good. So.
Number 4 question is, I want to create a new style with your photographer. Is it possible? It is possible. That is what we like to create for all our couples. The purpose of pre-shoot meeting is to communicate and understand our couple, and we will input our recommendation from a creative point of view to create a style that suits your liking. And it is good if you could show us some photos during the meeting so we could have a better understanding of your requirements.
So one thing about the photo shoot we had was the concept that they allow us to actually incorporate into the whole shoot itself. For myself, I'm actually into origami and card magic, so that's why we decided to have that in the photo shoot. For Yuna herself, she actually does calligraphy, so in some of the pictures you may see those typography, right? It's written by herself. The origami models were folded by myself along with the card stuff, okay? So this bouquet of flowers you see over here, it's actually folded for her during the proposal. So I actually folded 98 roses, and then I've labelled them from number 2 to number 99. So 2 to 99 because she's my number 1 rose. Okay. Yes. So you do actually get to discuss with them what you like, what they're going to plan for you, and then have it executed on the day itself. That's why I would say it's a wonderful experience. It's a very personal thing, yes. Yeah. The photo shoot is not just about the gowns or the suits that you're wearing. It's about you as a couple, you as an individual, and how you two come together.
Come to the last question. Why should I choose your company to have my pre-wedding photos taken? It is not a must. It depends on how much you understand about the purpose of pre-wedding photography. If you simply want to have some wedding photos taken, any photographer can do the job. But if you realize the value of our pre-wedding photography, you will love what we are doing. Okay, that's it for today. I'll provide you the video playlist link below so you can learn more from there. Please stay tuned because there are more Q&A sessions like this is on the way. Take care and cheers!